Hello everyone from Elif's Kitchen. Today, I want to share with you an easy to make and light dessert that will perfectly complement your Iftar tables. I will be sharing a milk pudding filled Gullac recipe. For the pudding of our dessert, let's take 1 liter of milk into a pot. Add 1 tea glass of cornstarch, 1 tea glass of flour, and 1 water glass of sugar, then mix well. Then, place it on the stove and keep stirring continuously until it comes to a boil. Once it starts boiling, lower the heat and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add 1 packet of vanilla, mix well, and remove it from the heat. I transferred it to a separate bowl to cool down faster. Cover it with a plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming. Let it cool. Once cooled, beat it with a mixer for a few minutes. At this stage, if you wish, you can add half a pack of liquid cream. I didn't add it, but it will be delicious either way. Our pudding is ready, set it aside. Now, let's prepare the syrup to soak the Gullac sheets. I have taken 1 liter of milk into the pot. Add 1 water glass of sugar. Add 1 packet of vanilla and place it on the stove. Heat it until the sugar dissolves. This step is important, we should not boil the milk. It is enough to heat it until just before it starts boiling. Once the milk is warm, we can start assembling the dessert. I used 6 sheets of Gullac. I will prepare the dessert in a large square baking dish. Cut the Gullac sheets according to the size of your baking dish. Place 1 cut Gullac sheet at the bottom of the large square baking dish. Place it with the shiny side facing up and pour warm milk over it to soak evenly. Then, layer the cut Gullac pieces on top. Drizzle warm milk over each layer to soak it. Repeat the same process until 3 Gullac sheets are used up. After placing the 3rd Gullac sheet, soak it again with warm milk. Spread half of the prepared pudding evenly over it. Spread it out evenly. At this stage, you can add hazelnuts, pistachios, walnuts, or any nuts you like. I sprinkled some coarsely ground walnuts, a bit of sliced almonds, and a bit of sliced pistachios. Next, cut the remaining 3 Gullac sheets according to the baking dish size. Place one sheet on top and soak it with warm milk. Use the trimmed edges of the Gullac sheets as well, placing them on top and soaking again with warm milk. Repeat the same steps until all 3 remaining Gullac sheets are used. After placing the last Gullac sheet on top, pour all the remaining warm milk over it to soak it well. Then, spread the remaining pudding evenly on top. Generously sprinkle shredded coconut over the dessert. Refrigerate it and let it chill for at least 2 to 3 hours. Once chilled, cut it into slices, wiping your knife with a napkin each time. I garnished it with ground pistachios and dried blueberries. Serve the dessert cold. With its light taste, this dessert will be a perfect addition to any table. I am sure you will love it once you try it. If you watched my video and liked it, you can support me by liking, commenting, and sharing. Thank you for watching and for your interest.